Are you stuck finding profitable products to sell on eBay and maybe you're not even sure if you should use a product research tool or do it manually? Well, in this video, I will show you how to use the eBay product research tool Zik Analytics to discover hot niches, analyze competitors, and find profitable products. Zik Analytics was launched back in 2016 by a power eBay seller, Nahar Geva. It is known for its easy user interface, data accuracy, and proactive support team. Just last week in the Zik members group, we had multiple sellers sharing their progress. Here, you can see real people posting in the Zik members group, telling us about their success and how Zik helped them achieve their goals. And these sellers are people just like you who are using the tools and strategies I am going to show you today. So please keep watching from start to end because the information I'm going to share with you can potentially turn your eBay business profitable. Zik offers several features from category, product, and competitor research to a title builder and AI features that can automatically find products and cross-reference with other marketplaces such as Amazon, AliExpress, and Walmart. These features have been used by a wide spectrum of eBay sellers, such as wholesalers, dropshippers, resellers, and even brand owners. I am going to cover multiple features demonstrating one of the most powerful product research methods to find profitable products. Let's jump into it. We are now inside the Zik dashboard. I will immediately jump into the product research tool of Zik Analytics so we can see how it works. Here you can type in any product or niche keywords that you want to explore. Let's say I'm interested in discovering the demand and competition in the sunglasses niche. So that's what I'm going to type in, and I'm going to go ahead and click the search bar. Now, while it loads, Zik pulls the best match results from eBay and analyzes the transactions and competitors, preparing for us this very report that will unfold the real potential of this niche. As you can see, the revenue under this search term is over $80K. Total of 4,603 sold items and 90.91 success rate. You can see the market share pie and the sales trend chart, and this way you can just understand the trend and how competitive this niche is. Now, when scrolling down, you can see the list of the top performing listings and the competitors that are selling them. Wow, look at this listing. It's actually 346 sold items in the last 30 days. So I believe that's an interesting product. And once we find an interesting product, we can go ahead and analyze the competitor. This brings me to the competitor research tool of Zik that allows me to copy and paste any eBay seller into Zik and reveal their best-selling items and selling performance. You can also learn a lot about the selling strategies of the seller by observing titles, average selling prices, and so on. So let's take a look at this seller. He is selling so many interesting items and generating $12,000 in revenue. Now what you can do is use the item finder to find products from Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, or Walmart if you like to source it from any of these suppliers. But for this example, let's see what items I can find on Alibaba. So let's take a look at this item here. It looks like just a pet fur remover. And then we're going to go ahead and click on this item finder for Alibaba. Wow, it actually looks like it's a 100% match. Well done. Lots of sellers use the competitor research tool to spot winning products and then go and bring similar items. It is one of the most effective strategies for finding top selling profitable products. Are you sometimes lacking in product ideas, not even sure where to start? For this, you can use tools such as category research. Here, you don't need to come up with the ideas yourself. You just explore different categories and see what the top selling products are there. So let's go ahead and see how that works. So here inside the category research tool, and all you have to do is scroll through the categories and pick one that you are interested in. So for this example, let's go ahead and click on phone accessories. And then this will do the search for you. And then you can go ahead and scroll through the results. You can immediately sometimes spot the strong trends and even see who the sellers are that are selling these products. I usually look for a pattern when multiple listings are selling the same product this way. This way I could be sure that this is a hot trend based on this particular pattern. Enjoying the video so far? I hope you find it valuable. And if so, please hit the like button. It means so much to me. And subscribe to get notifications. Thank you very much. Are you struggling with title optimization? Not sure what keywords to use? Say no more. The Zik Title Builder turns the title optimization process into a fun and productive process. Let's jump in to see how it works. So once you find a product, you want to make sure to use the best title to get maximum traffic. Let's take this iPhone cover as the example. Now, if this is the product we want to sell, we first need to look at our competitors' titles and see what keywords they use. Then copy the keywords that define the actual product into the title builder search results and go ahead and hit the search button. Now you can see all of the stats that are long tail keywords people are searching for and how many sales each of these terms generate. You can even see competition and then go for keywords with high sales and low competition. So we can go ahead and build this title together. So what you do from here is you just take the main keywords, let's say the title from your competitor, and then you will just go ahead and remove all unnecessary keywords. Now I will look for high demand, low competition keywords, and I will just go ahead and click on it to add it to my title. Now it's enough to add maybe 1 to 2 keywords and it will make a massive difference. Everyone is talking about the tools AI, ChatGPT, and automations. Zik has been offering full automation long before ChatGPT started trending. These features are mostly used by dropshippers to find similar products on other marketplaces, but 2 of the features are big data. The AI algorithm brings the top selling items from eBay and AliExpress. Let's start with them. The 500 best-selling eBay items database, and it's updated every 48 hours, and it gives you access to the hottest trend on eBay right now. So this is an amazing tool for spotting fresh trends on eBay. And you can see the list of items right here, the sales history, and continue your research from here. Here you can see the Ali growth scanner, and here you have more options to filter the items based on your requirements. Here you can see the list of items, all necessary information like the number of times these items sold in the last 6 months. Now for you who is dropshipping, these 3 features are going to amaze you and save you a lot of time. I'll quickly go through them and show you how you can find hundreds, if not thousands of items in just a few minutes. First, the bulk scanner. This tool supports suppliers Amazon and Walmart. You find a dropshipper. You can go ahead and click on this red button, then click again to open the bulk scanner. Now you can see based on the supplier you chose, all the similar items are ready to be listed. Now let's review the turbo scanner, which is right here. That also supports Amazon and Walmart only. Here you type the product criteria from Amazon and eBay. Let's say minimum of 3 stars, at least 10 reviews, 10 sales in the last 30 days. And you can even filter by keyword if you would like. I will fill in the amount of items I want to search. And there you have it. All of the products are ready to be listed. You can even export CSV and use our lister integration. And the last one, and most powerful as well, the autopilot. I'll click new scan and update the criteria as well. You can go ahead and name your new scan. Here you have more options. You can use the ROI, which is return on investment, to bring profitable products only. Now I'll fill in the amount of items. Let's go for 1,000 and click scan. And here you go. 1,000 items ready to be listed and to scale your business. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. And to show gratitude, I want to let you know that Zik is committed to your selling journey, from the first target of breaking even to turning profitable and all the way to full independence. This is why we offer a discount on all of our plans for the first month or year. Check that link out in the description. Again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you find any value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe to get notified. Thank you, and you are so appreciated.